Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm just going to jump right into the tutorial. So I'm starting off with a little bit of Benefit Professional just to prime my face, and then I'm going to be going in with my Tarte Shape Tape on the eyes just to prime for the eyeshadow that we're going to be using. Going in with a translucent powder, I'm just going to be setting that concealer, and then for today's video, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I'm in love with this palette. I think it's my favorite palette that I have right now, and that says a lot because I was obsessed with the Anastasia Modern Renaissance. But going in the crease, I am popping in Silk Cream, and then I'm going to be taking the color Jax, and I'm just going to be taking that on a fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to keep building the pigmentation until I get it to the color that I want it to be. And to add a little bit more depth, you're going to see me take a smaller precision brush, and I'm going to be mixing the colors Chip and Jax, and this is just going to add even more depth to the eyes and make it a little bit more sultry and smoky, and the burgundy color that I'm kind of looking for this look. So again, I used Chip and Jax, and I used a little bit more Jax than Chip because Jax has that really deep red tone where Chip has that nice chocolatey brown shade that's going to add the deepness. So just taking that carefully on a very small detailed fluffy brush and popping that right in the crease. Now I am taking this beautiful indigo shade and I'm popping that right on the eyelids. You guys, the pigmentation of these palettes are amazing. I didn't even use setting spray, no Fix Plus, and none of that, no concealer. This brush, however, did not do the pigmentation justice. I wish I would have used a different brush, but still, I don't even think the camera is picking up how beautiful this color really was in person. Now I am taking the black shade from this palette and putting that right on the outer corner and blending it in. And then I'm going to be taking a big fluffy brush that I used earlier, and I'm just going to really smoke everything together to make sure everything is perfectly seamless. And then I'm going to be taking the color Beam, which is a nice creamy highlight shade, and I'm popping that right on the brow bone. So I decided to try something new for foundation. So this is the Anastasia Stick Foundation in the color Warm Alabaster. And yeah, I love the convenience of stick foundations because they're mess free, there's no oxidizing, and they're nice and thick. The only thing is I think this formula is more targeted towards oily skin, and since I live in Wisconsin, my skin is super dry right now, but the coverage was phenomenal and I loved the color of it, and also again I loved the convenience, and I'm really happy that I tried something new for a chance for foundation. And then after this, I'm going to be going in with Tarte Shape Tape in the color Fair, and I'm just going to be highlighting my under eyes and blending that in with a beauty blender. Next, going in with a little bit of loose powder, and I'm just going to be setting my face. This color is a shade too dark for me, but in the end, it ends up being fine. To set underneath of the eyes, I'm taking my Coty Airspun Loose Powder, and that is in the color Translucent Extra Coverage. And I really like this powder for underneath of the eyes because I think it's heavy duty. It really locks in my concealer, and I also like that it's a shade lighter, so I kind of get a highlighted effect. And then I'm taking my MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation in the color NC15. And I know this seems like a lot of products, but I really like my foundation to be locked in place, especially for the job that I do. And then I'm going in with a little bit of bronzer. This is the Milk Chocolate Soleil by Too Faced. It smells amazing and it also looks amazing on the skin. And then for contour, I'm taking a little bit of the medium shade from the Lorac Pro Contour Palette, and I'm just deepening it up a little bit. I didn't really want the contour to be too harsh because the eyes were so bold, so I just went ahead and dusted this on lightly on the perimeter of my face, anywhere that I wanted a little bit of definition. And then I'm going in with my trusty NARS blush in the color Deep Throat. I love this color. I think it looks great on so many different skin tones, and it just gives a beautiful glow to the face. I think blush really pulls a look together. And then going in with my Anastasia Glow Kit by Nicole, I'm going ahead in with the color Forever Young, and I'm popping this right on the high points of my face. For the brows, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. eyebrow duo thing. I don't really know what the real name of it is, but I'm in the color Light. I love the formula of this product, you guys. It works really well. It's really creamy. It's really easy to work with, and if you make any mistakes, it's really easy to clean up, unlike the Anastasia. So yeah, I really do like the formula, and I think this is a really good dupe for something and a really good eyebrow product for beginners in general. But I'm going to just be filling in the natural shape of my eyebrows, and then I'm going back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm taking the color Hunts and Jacks, and I'm popping that right in the lower lash line, and then I'm also taking the black again just to add a little bit more deepness to the look. And then going in with the highlight palette again, I'm taking the color Forever Lit, popping that right on the inner corner to make it really nice and bright and white. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Benefit Roller Lash, and I'm also curling my eyelashes with this awesome Tarte eyelash curler. I've been curling my eyelashes lately, and I really like it. And then I'm setting my face with my Urban Decay setting spray in the Slick. And then I'm going in with my Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in the color Wifey. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, also the like button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!